Understand this, no? For your notes to. Intindihin nyo maigi. Ang sistema, ginawa hindi para sa negosyo. Para sa tao na nasa negosyo. Everything in this world is business. So ikaw mamimili. Papayag ka ba na ikaw na lang yung laging nininegosyo o ikaw naman magninegosyo? So if you can solve this problem, that's value. Are you with me still? So bottom line, if you can develop a product or services that can help people, it will bring money. Now, here's the catch. Earning, for your notes, earning millions is one thing. Sustaining it is another thing. Iba ang pagkita ng pera sa pagsusustain. Okay? I'm gonna give you an example. May nakilala na ba kayong athletes? Nanalo isang beses, din na nakaulit. Yes or yes? Because you have to sustain it. Hindi ka pwedeng one-day champion. Hindi ka rin pwedeng one-day millionaire. Are you with me still? Sino dito, maraming kilalang seaman na napakaraming kumita ng pera. Bandang huli, walang pera nung nag-retire. Sino dito may kakilalang tumama sa loto? Wala nang pera ngayon. Sino dito, ang dami nyo ng balitaan, 99% ng tumama sa loto, walang pera. Yeah? Marami hindi. Halos lahat. It's because they don't know how to sustain it. Because they don't know how to build it. Kaya okay yung galing ka sa hirap eh. Kasi you can build your way up to becoming a millionaire. Now you know how to build. Mawala man, you can build again. You can begin again. Pero pag hawak mo na, sustain it. Same goes. Sino dito may kakilalang nagpapayat? May challenge. No, balik alindog challenge. Nabawasan ka ng ilang kilo. Na-excite ka ngayong kumain. Yung balik sa'yo, 20 kilo, no? May kakilalang ganyan? O baka ikaw yon? Hindi ka na makapagtaas ng kamay, right? Sir naman, dami mong pinakain sa lead eh. Okay? So bottom line, it's about sustainability. So how do you then sustain and scale? Scale means palakihin. Simple lang. For you to sustain and scale, you have to build what we call systems. And good news, system doesn't just work on the business. Understand this, no? For your notes to. Intindihin nyo maigi. Ang sistema, ginawa hindi para sa negosyo. Para sa tao na nasa negosyo. To make everything streamlined, easier, scalable, and doable. Because a lot of people seem to think that the system is for the business. It will help the business sustain. It will help the business scale. But the systems are there for the people so that they have something to follow. So there's a guide in what we call, for your notes, structures and design. Structure, actually tatlo yan. Structure, that's the mind. Design, that's the heart. The culture is the body. To make it automatic. And the problem with systems, lately I just discovered with our platinum clients, with platinum partners, with all the people here that I'm mentoring, the problem with systems is this. Yung tinatawag na integrations. How to do it. Integration. How to actually integrate the system with people, with how to do it, with doing it. Nagigets niyo ako? Nagigets niyo ako? So the purpose of every quarter na nagre-reset tayo is for us to be able to integrate into a system. Kaya importanteng nagre-realign ka every first quarter. That is why even if I was actually sick for like weeks now, I have indigestion now, nadadaan na sa priming. I have indigestion, so it means na parang nasusuka, umaakit dito yung acid. But still we're showing up. Why? Because today is really important. Because you are showing up as well, yeah? Ganun talaga laban sa buhay. So dito tayo iikot tonight. Okay lang, simulan ko na. Yes. Intro pa lang pala yun, no? So dito tayo iikot kasi kailangan mo maintindihan, businessman or not, you are part of a system. Now either you are part of the system of a government, sinisistema ka, o ikaw naman yung magiging major part ng sistema. For your notes, everything in this world is business. Yung sapatos, negosyo hindi. Pantalon mo, negosyo hindi. T-shirt mo, negosyo hindi. Pagkain, negosyo hindi. Kuryente, negosyo hindi. Everything in this world is business. So ikaw mamimili. Papayag ka ba na ikaw na lang yung laging nininegosyo o ikaw naman magninegosyo? And there's nothing wrong with being part of a business. As long as you have the opportunity to be part of it. So again, if you are earning percentage, you are part of a business. Wag tayong magpabebe. Kung kaya mo magtayo ng kumpanya, go for it.